Today we're going to demonstrate the 3M sanding brush. This is available online. We saw it demoed with somebody preparing for installing a gasket. Thought it was a very great little product, and got one. So we've been using it and find it very helpful. You can see we placed shop towels in the cylinders. This just to keep any of the debris from falling down in there while we're cleaning. You simply take the brush, attach it to a drill motor, and clean up. Place the concentrate is right around the edge of each of the openings. That is where the gasket really needs to seal. And these come in various grits. We're using 120 grit. This way it doesn't really scratch the surface. But if you need to do it aggressively, there's 50 and 80 grit also available.